We're back on the second channel. Today would have been the day we should have the oil pump to start assembling this engine back together and get the two heads back on the block. But because of all Christmas deliveries and Royal Mail being behind, it's still not come yet. But it should be here any day soon. So we're still waiting for that. And in other news, I've changed my mind. Although I bought these bumpers as an upgrade bumper, we did the LP640 rear bumper in the last video and the LP640 front bumper, as well as a few photos which I'll put on the screen now, is the reason why I've changed my mind, which I think might be going back standard. I kind of like that clean look with the aftermarket wheels, but let me know what you think in the comment section below. Do we go with the 640 look, or do we go with the sort of clean OEM style look? I'm sort of swinging that way now, and I wouldn't have known I wanted to do that unless I put these bumpers on, but I'm kind of feeling that way. We've got the new interior in, but other than that, we're a little stuck. And tomorrow's video on the main channel, you're gonna see a new project reveal because my fingers are itching and we can't really do anything until the oil pump is there. But for now, we took this Murcielago to Highcross shopping centre because we've had such a crazy year with the main channel and everything's been going like absolutely mental. I wanted to show this off to you guys so you can see what state it was in before it's finished, and at the same time give back to a lot of you as well. So see you at the Highcross. We're going to do a little game. First off, have you got your phone on you?
Yeah.
We've got to see first whether they're subscribed to the channel.
Yeah.
So they've got to prove they're subscribed and then they're entered into the game.
We're still on it from earlier.
Here it is. Here we go. Subscribe. We need one more person now, don't we? What's your name? Cruz. Right, we've got a little,
thanks, mate.
little present there. Oh, he likes cars.
Oh,
then.
yeah, loves cars.
Subscribe to the channel. Have you got your phone on you?
I have, yeah.
If we can prove he's subscribed, there's a game going on right now. It's a good prize. The tension's building. He's subscribed.
And I've got Matt too as well.
And he's subscribed to Mark too.
Yeah.
So here's the stakes then, boys. We've got an Xbox with the new Need for Speed game.
Don't upset him.
Your dad is going to battle Nathan in a rock, paper, scissors match. And the winner will take the Xbox with the Need for Speed game. Best of three?
Best of three.
Yeah. You
Okay, so we're going to go 1, 2, 3,
Yeah.
shoot. We're going for it, okay?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, shoot.
Oh, no.
First 1-0. 1-0. Brilliant.
Great.
This is your... Oh. Oh, it's 1-1. It's 1-1. So this is the decider
This is it, yeah.
for an Xbox and a new Need for Speed Unbound game.
Got it.
Here we go. Oh, it's 1! Oh, lucky mate, we have got a runner-up prize. An Xbox and the new Need for Speed game.
I can't believe it. I'm shaking.
And you've got a load of goodies.
Look at that, mate. You want
take
that? Oh my God.
Got a runner-up prize.
Oh, thank you, mate. Thanks for that.
No worries, hopefully it makes you
Cheers, mate.
Christmas.
Yeah, it's going to make his day, isn't it?
What's your name?
Stuart.
Stuart. I know Stuart's going to be subscribed because he's wearing a Hard Work Beats Talent t-shirt. And I think we can get one more. Are you subscribed to the channel?
Yeah, we are, yeah.
First of all, they've got to prove it. We're subscribed there, waiting for signal.
Of course, this is taking forever.
Could be forfeited the game. It doesn't say subscribed. We're going to ask the question to prove they watch the channel. What is my dog's name?
I've no idea.
Oh no!
It's a pork,
Okay, out of you guys, yeah. What's my dog's name?
I'm not gonna.
I know that you know. I know that you know. But, Kevin. I was trying to remember. We'll get you guys some prizes anyway. They were trying. I wanted them to win. But here we go.
Thank you.
Here we go. Are you subscribed to the channel?
I am.
If you're watching this right now, make sure you hit the subscribe.
Playing up
Here
now.
we go.
Oh mate, I'm struggling with network right now.
Are we going to take his word for it?
I am.
He knew the dog.
He did know the dog. Should we ask one more question?
Oh, that's not fair.
First car.
That's hard. What, the first car rebuilt?
On the channel.
Yeah.
Any the Audi TT.
Yeah, okay, he's in. Rock, paper, scissors. It's the best out of 3, and I'll show you what you're rock, paper, scissoring for. Winner takes the Xbox. 1, 2, 3, shoot. Yeah? Okay.
I think he's gonna take it, to be honest. So.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, shoot.
No, but that's 1, 2, 3, shoot. One,
Should we
two, three,
retake
shoot,
that
yeah.
one?
Yeah.
I see the
Check your
scissors
reading.
came out early.
Yeah, I did see it come out early.
Round one would go again, so it's 1, 2, 3, and the shoot.
Alright.
Fourth one.
But you need to be fast, don't you?
Here we go. 1, 2, 3, shoot. So it's a draw.
1, 2, 3, shoot.
Oh, wait. So it's 1-0. Best out of 3.
1, 2, 3, shoot.
It's a draw. I'm watching your hands close. Round 2.
1, 2, 3, shoot.
Oh,
Is it 1-1 now?
1-1.
It's 1-1. So this is it. This is a rock, paper, scissors for the Xbox. Make it a clean match, guys. Let's do it.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Oh! You've won an Xbox. Thanks for playing, man. It was a good game.
Oh, mate.
It was a good game. Congratulations. An Xbox is in your hand. Your name?
Nash.
Nash.
I'm Chris.
So, what was your name again?
Stuart.
Stuart and Nash. Stuart's just won the Xbox. I feel bad, but I'm gonna give Nash my business card with a £500 limit on it to go into John Lewis to spend that £500. If he goes 1 penny over, it's gone. He can't buy whatever he's gonna buy. If he goes under, I get to keep the change.
I've been told to make it as stressful as possible for you and to ruin your shopping experience at John Lewis.
Right.
So
Right.
we're about to have some fun.
Are you ready,
Alright,
Nash?
cool. Yeah, I'm ready.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's go get the card. Shall I give him more than 5
I
minutes?
think
No,
5
no.
minutes is
It's
plenty.
5 minutes.
No, no, it's
Five
not.
minutes is plenty.
Don't
It's not because I didn't.
To make your life pretty miserable here.
Nash has got 5 minutes, 30 seconds to get something from John Lewis. He's got £500 to spend. If he goes a penny over, he doesn't get any of it. And the time starts now. 5 minutes 30 to go.
Sorry. Where are you going? You going top floor, bottom floor, top floor? What's on top floor? Tell me what's on the top floor.
All the tech is top
Tech's top floor, right. You're after an Xbox. You're after that Xbox that you lost.
Where's he going?
he's gone upstairs. Upstairs, I think.
Now into 4 minutes 58 seconds.
They're there.
He's waiting on the escalators. 4 minutes 45.
Time is ticking, boys. 4 minutes. Ooh.
4 minutes already.
I think he's heading straight for the TVs.
Do you want to try out that sofa over there, Nash?
No, I'm not.
Are you sure? How about a tree? Christmas tree. They've got really nice ones here.
here we
Up again, okay. Okay, now we're talking.
Where did he go?
We're in the big books. So how about this? How about this? This looks nice. This looks nice. Little Zen book.
I've already got a MacBook
Keep
Pro,
it.
so-
Keep your Zen.
Did they go up another floor?
They must have.
How about an iMac? What about an iMac? Look at this. It's only 1,399. No, okay. What about some AirPods? You need some AirPods.
I've already got some.
No, you can't help him. You can't help him. Don't
PlayStation. Yeah,
help
you
him.
can,
Don't help
you
him.
can.
Don't help him. Don't help
Where's
him.
the PlayStation?
You can't do it.
No,
Please
you
don't help
can,
him.
you
Please
can.
don't help him.
Where's the
Don't.
PlayStation?
Don't.
Where's the PlayStation?
Oh, yeah, you sell PlayStations. Time is ticking.
Oh,
Time is ticking.
3 minutes
3 minutes
34
30. After a PlayStation, they don't sell them. I told him to get AirPods. He's already got them in.
This is gone.
How about this TV here? This one's nice. This one's nice. Look, and it's reduced to 649.
it's not budget.
It's 649. It's a bargain. Have you got a kid?
No.
Don't forget your child. No. Look at this. Look, this one's a bargain. Jeez. You can nearly afford that soundbar.
I think he's gone too expensive. 3 minutes left.
3 minutes left.
Oh, you need Norton LifeLock. Come on. You've got to be sensible when you're on
I
the
really
line.
don't want him to lose again, but he is stringing it out.
You can't help him. Don't help him. Oh, an iPad.
Can I get that?
Yeah, you can.
Please, can I get that?
No.
iPad.
No, you can't.
2 minutes,
Which one's the
seconds
500
left,
one?
and he looks like he's going for an iPad.
10.2 and 400.
Are you sure you don't want the 68 gig?
I'm alright.
Okay, let me just get a key for
No, that's not fair.
you. I'll get a key. I can do that for you now.
Yeah, please,
2 minutes left.
I've got 2 minutes to join the queue, mate. 2 minutes.
2 minutes left to get in the queue. He's chosen an
Yeah,
iPad.
is that the 451?
Yeah.
Yeah, cool. I'll get that.
Here.
Oh, no.
I've ruined his day. I'm so sorry, mate.
1 minute 41.
Pay here.
There you can.
Yes.
I think he's got the bag secured.
God.
With card by the looks of things. Congratulations, Nash. He's sweating. He's sweating.
I was running around trying to find something within the
Although he lost out on an Xbox, he's got himself an iPad. I think that deserves a subscribe.
I think so. Subscribe, like and share.
Back to the Murcielago. Right, there's a prize in this box. You don't know what it is, but when I say stop, that's the person who wins it, and you've got to pass it between yourselves.
Pass the parcel, but without the music.
Chris is going to keep an eye on you. Who's going to start with it? You're going to start with it. I'm not going to look. Okay, let's start the copyright free music now. Okay, I'm not listening either because I can hear the package. Just gonna keep them going for a while. How's it going, Chris?
It's going pretty well, mate. Everyone's playing pretty fair.
Yeah? No one's fighting yet.
No punches being thrown.
Good, good, yeah.
Legit.
The music's good, isn't it?
Yeah, I like this.
Everyone being fair.
There's no hogging going on really. It's getting a little bit slow on one side, but you know, we can let it ride.
When I say the S word, everyone's gonna stop, but not yet.
Oh.
Keep going, and not yet.
Keep winding.
Stop.
Oh. This is a tricky situation now.
So,
Is there a game of rock, paper, scissors?
do you know how to play rock, paper, scissors? Yeah. We're gonna go rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Best of 3.
Paper, scissors, shoot.
1-0.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh,
1-1.
Paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh, he's won! What's your name?
Aaron.
Aaron. Do you want to see what's inside? There's nothing in it. No.
It's not the best
Take it off.
What you got?
Nintendo Switch.
Oh, well, that's supposed to be mine.
No way.
Oh, no, it's not. It's Weetabix.
Congratulations, mate. Where's your mum and dad?
Over here.
We've got a challenge for you afterwards. This has got to be the last challenge, else I'm finished broke. So if I give you 3.5 minutes, but you've got to spend £200 in John Lewis, do you think you can do it? If you spend 1 penny over, you won't win anything.
What?
Do you think you can do it? With help from your mum as well? Yeah? Okay.
Is this going to be spent on makeup by any chance?
These guys have got 3 minutes 30 seconds with a £200 budget of my card to spend. They spend 1 penny over, it goes to Chris. They can be under the budget. Let's see what they can get for Christmas. They've got help from their mum who's looking at the makeup. We've got 3 minutes 30 seconds. Time starts as soon as we go through the door. Time starts now.
Go, 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 go. Where are we going? What are we starting with? Go on, run, 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 run.
Well, here we go again.
Run, run, keep it moving, keep it moving.
2 minutes 45.
Oh no, go, you gotta go, you gotta go. Sorry about this, I'm sorry. Where are they gone?
This is going to be really close.
Running out of time.
They've gone to the most expensive floor with £200. I just don't think it's going to happen.
What are we going for then? Get a printer. Straight to the AirPods. Straight to the AirPods. Go pick it up. You've got to get it to the till. Quick. I don't know. They've found something, but there's no staff.
Okay.
1 minute 50 left. Back to the shop. We've already asked. Yeah.
That's two.
Ginger hair. What's her name?
Manager.
Sorry? She's the marketing.
She's not a manager.
She's the
The
marketing.
manager, the taller guys here, we filmed.
Yeah, you go speak to these guys. Sorry.
We're 1 minute 30 in.
Which ones are you going for? Are you going for the 199 or the 119? Or the 179 or the 189? How about these ones? 229. It's going to be tight. I don't know. I can't answer that one.
Do you know where the nearest till is?
It's like 1 minute left. What have they gone for?
We've got AirPods. Are the AirPod Pros? Can I keep the spare pound? Would you rather have an AirPods or a Nintendo Switch?
We already have a Nintendo Switch.
Oh, you didn't need it then, did you? Yeah.
And the total price is £199. They made it just
Round
in
of applause.
time.
This is so good because it's my birthday yesterday.
It's your birthday yesterday.
Yes,
Are you having an
yes, my
AirPod each? Because they're his AirPods.
Yeah.
You're sharing AirPods.
They've made it. It looks like a good Christmas for my subscribers. What a day that was. Thanks so much for all of you guys that came and showed up at the Highcross to come and see the Murcielago, to say hello. Congratulations to all the guys that won prizes as well. Tomorrow, there's a new project on the channel. It's an interesting one and it's a little bit different from your Murcielagos and your Porsches. So I guess I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next video. Peace out.
Could be your alpha, could be your Romeo. Tell them boys back up, I ain't going nowhere. I'ma for that back up, put it on your story so all your friends see it, everyone can see it.